can I develop and design and engineer valve guides for an engine that I've torn apart so many times that Chris has probably torn that motor apart more than BMW has ever torn that motor apart. So, in the history of the motor, not just this exact motor, like the M20, right? So, like, why would I spend my entire life doing something he's already spent his entire life doing? It gives me a chance to do it with a lot of other things, so I can keep driving this every day because I really love driving this car and I like working on it too. But there's cars, there's things I like to work on, and there's things I like to drive, and this one I really like to drive.